A. Brief. Property insurance policies. So common characteristics. Property insured. Personal property policies. Insure property strictly for private non-business use. So highlight private non-business use. So personal property means private non-business, means residential, means residential. Basically when we do the home insurance for our own house. Next, commercial property policies. So that insures property having commercial or business use. Basically school, college, sweet shops, any stores, right? Yeah. Then types of coverage offered under policies. Number one is named peril. Peril means cause of loss. So basically particular name. Insure losses caused only by perils named listed in the policy. So only peril listed. Basically earthquake insurance, fire insurance, right? Broad or comprehensive policies. So broad means bigger, right? It means it insures against all risks of direct physical loss. So highlight direct physical loss or damage subject to policy conditions and exclusions. So highlight conditions and exclusions. So cover all losses not excluded. Basically it covers all losses, but certain properties are not included. So basic condition meaning you have to do this. So the first one, property location defined. Insure only items indicated an amount of insurance.
It can cover all type of losses.
Yeah.
Cost can be like it can be
or
fire.
Yeah, all losses, but basically it does not exclude anything. That means it does not exclude.
Not excluded.
Yeah, it's a broad policy. It covers everything basically. Broader
type of loss.
Yeah. But there are the fine line. It says condition, you have to meet certain conditions, and it's exclusions. So this doesn't cover this, right? Property location defined. So then they define. Insures only items indicating an amount, highlight amount. Amount and allocation. So allocation means how many percentage, right? Basically it says okay, the home insurance cover for 200,000 for building, right? But the items for the TV, all those things is 50%. So 50% basically means 50% off 200,000 is how much? 100,000, right? That means. And then insure direct damage only. So it covers only direct damage. So I'll have direct damage. Direct loss means damages or destruction by peril directly attacking insured property. So I'll have directly attacking. For example, fire or windstorm damaging the building. Okay. Next is indirect loss. Means loss as a consequence of direct loss. How consequence means as a result of. As a result of. For example, it's a loss of rent or business income due to fire. For example, if the fire happens unfortunately here, what happens then?
No business.
No business, no class here. Right? Okay. So basically if the house burns down, what happens then? No rent coming. Right? Okay. So next one is conditions and warranties. Condition means requirement for insurer to do or not to do. To do or not to do. Condition is basically means if you are having home insurance, you need to have a fire alarm. Right? You need a security guard. For example, there is a condition. Just an example. Right? Or not to do something. So don't grow marijuana. Don't do certain things. Right? Don't make samosas in your basement, right? Next is statutory condition, mean legal conditions, right? Established by law, right? So legally binding. Binding means enforceable. Enforceable. E-N-F-O-R-C-E-A-B-L-E. Yeah. Enforceable means which can be implemented. Right? So legally enforceable. They say don't do this, it means you don't do this. Next, policy conditions developed by insurers dealing with specific coverage. So it is developed by insurance company to deal with the specific coverage areas. Basically meaning you have to do certain things. Next, warranty. Warranty means promise that certain facts are truly as representative. Facts are truly as representative. To be and will remain so for the entire policy period. Means exact compliance. Means exact compliance. By insured, if breached, policy is void. Basically say, if you have a house insurance, it means no samosas in your basement. For example, you start making samosas in your basement and start selling, and the fire broke down and the house burns down, so they won't cover it. You understand that? So spray paint is not allowed in the shop, for example. This is spray paint is not allowed, and if it's found, your insurance is automatically becomes a void. So I have an example of spray paint. And the next one is exclusions, basically which does not cover, right? Property excluded. Reason is greater than normal loss potential. So greater than normal. Requires a higher premium. Basically they would need higher premium. Need special forms to provide appropriate coverage. Highlight special forms, higher premium. Valuable documents, securities, automobiles, watercraft. So highlight valuable documents, securities, automobiles, watercraft, aircraft, money, other motorized vehicles, books of account, vacant property over 30 days. These are not covered. These are excluded. They were right on the policy. These things are not covered. So money they can't cover, right? So next is perils excluded. Peril means cause of loss excluded. This was property excluded. Reason, potential for catastrophic losses. Highlight catastrophic. Catastrophic means bigger scale, right? Like earthquake, flood, nuclear incident, may bankrupt insurer, right? So if the whole city is destroyed, how would the insurance company pay, right? To eliminate payment for damage occurring naturally or cumulative damage. How cumulative means the bigger scale, right? Wear and tear. Wear and tear means with the passage of time, so the property gets old, right? Industrial operations. So agriculture smudging. Because of agriculture, also things happen. And to eliminate coverage for losses not common. Increased cost of construction due to enforcement of bylaw. Sorry, increased cost of construction. And sewer backup. Basically, these are not covered. So just highlight them.